Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm heading out thrifting and antiquing. We definitely need a lot of new furniture and decor for around the house. We have a lot of emptiness still and a lot of rooms to keep working on. We're currently in the middle of a laundry room renovation that I'm going to be sharing with you later on my channel, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But I need some goodies, I need some new furniture and decor, so let's head out and see what we can find. I love going thrifting to find good quality, affordable pieces. So I'll share with you all my thrifting tips along the way so you can find some good items as well. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and head to the first location. Our first stop of the day is one of my favorites, Habitat for Humanity. They have everything in here: large furniture pieces, decor, and building supplies. I walked right in and saw this beautiful sage green ottoman. It's only $50. It's so pretty. The only thing is it's missing a few buttons there. I would have snagged it, but cat hair sticks to velvet so much, so I can't really have it in my house. I wish I could. Every time I'm here, I always see large, beautiful wood wardrobes or media units. A lot of these used to have large TVs inside, but you can just convert it to a wardrobe by just hanging a rod. So if you ever see anyone that you like, you can turn it into an extra closet for yourself. A lot of these items are in perfect condition. Some of them could be repainted or restained and you can give them a fresh new look, but they are always solid wood, good quality items. Look at this beautiful chest of drawers. I love that wave in it. It's a little marked up, but it is a stunning piece. What do you guys think of this white wicker set? I wouldn't get the entire set. I would just get one individual piece because I don't think you should have an entire wicker set. But this daybed is just $275, and look how cute this dresser is. It all looks like it's in perfect condition, and there's something about this white wicker that just feels nostalgic and really charming. Now, every time I come in here, I always notice the unique beds. They always have really interesting beds here, and they're incredible prices. This beautiful queen bed is $180, and this full bed is just $175. Okay, now I need to find a place in my home where I can implement one of these. This is one of those hidden door bookcases. It's $350 here, and I think there's 2 of them. How cool is that? Now, I've been on the hunt for a transom window for an interior space in our home. I just found this arched transom window. It's the exact width that I need, and it's just $70, so I think I might need to take this home and see if this could work, because this could be a really cute part of the design. Now, I always like going through the hardware section because you can find doorknobs and really interesting things you can use around your home. I just found 16 stair rods with all of the details and brackets in a brass finish for just $20. I cannot believe this. This is something I wanted to add to my staircase, so those are coming home with me. I'm always drawn to these little wood trays and bowls while I'm thrifting. These are just $2, and I think these tiny details are the best way to integrate new wood tones around your home. So you can layer in these trays and bowls into your shelving, into your coffee table. This is one of the best budget-friendly ways to mix wood tones around your home. I always find it very hard to pay full price for items like this when you can find them at the thrift store for $4. Look how beautiful this canister is. I love the top detail like this. It just gives so much more of a traditional look. Even this one, this color palette with that nice kind of gray blue at the bottom. There's so much texture in it. I can use this anywhere around my home. Ceramic items like this are one of my favorite things to thrift. They add organization, style, and decor all around your home. Habitat for Humanity never disappoints. It's one of my favorite places to go thrifting in town. They have affordable decor, really good quality furniture, and building supplies. So if you're doing renovations or just redecorating, it's such a great way to find budget-friendly pieces. I picked up that arch transom window because I think I have an idea for it for a future renovation. I also picked up those brass rails. Those are actually stair rails. I can't believe it because that was something I really wanted to add to my staircase makeover, but I didn't know if it was going to be too much detail, hard to clean, so I just passed on it. But because I got all of those rails for $20 and they're heavy and really good quality, it's like, I can't pass that up. So if anything, I might just use those brass rails to create cafe curtain rods. They're the perfect size, the perfect finish, so I definitely have a use for them either way. And then all of those wood bowls and trays just are the perfect thing to add some extra depth in your decorating. Now on to 70 South Antique Store. They have antiques from all over the world in here. You're gonna notice higher prices, but incredible finds. I'm a huge fan of primitive furniture, the simple lines, classic shapes. They have a lot of great wood benches like this, and I think if you're looking for high quality, solid wood pieces, antique stores like this are a great place to find those kind of items. Also, I always find a cute plate rack at an antique store. This one is $195. These are great for integrating into your kitchen design to really add a charming touch. Now you can never go wrong with brass candlestick holders, especially rolling into this time of year, fall and winter. These are perfect for decorating all around your home and really adding that warm touch with candlestick lighting. Now, one thing I noticed that I love about thrifting is that it kind of allows you to slow down and pay attention to small details, like small items like this. If you look at the whole store, it might be overwhelming, but slowing down and finding these tiny, beautiful items is so special. This is an antique brass plate or picture holder. This is coming home with me because I can find a home for this for sure in our new laundry room or literally any room around our home. Ooh, I'm loving this copper pitcher. I'm not usually someone that adds a lot of copper to our home, but because this one has already patinaed, you see a little bit of that green in there, it's actually coming off more like brown. I think I can find a place for this. It's so beautiful. I love that aged look. Wow, this huge brass light fixture in this section caught my attention because this looks like something that you could find at Rejuvenation for $1,500 to $2,000. This is $450. It's huge, it's stunning, it's timeless. Wow. Ooh, this little paint palette caught my attention because there's so much life to this palette. Oh, it feels silly buying something like this because I'm like, I could definitely make this all on my own, but it really is cool to see all of those colors. There's so much story behind pieces like this. I think plate walls and plate displays and plate racks are becoming more and more popular, and they have beautiful plates here from France. I think it's so special to style antique or heirloom pieces like that around your home. It just gives you this cozy classic look. I also always eye this large basket every time I'm here. Maybe one day I will buy it, but it's actually a French baguette basket, but I would probably use it for umbrellas because it's just that perfect height.
Okay, I just spotted these large spools of string, and I know it's very random, but I think they would make such a beautiful decor piece. I think I might need to get all three of these and style them together in our new laundry room. I just love the texture of the string and that like aged color of them all. They're actually really cool. Let me know your thoughts. Might be super random, but I think it's really interesting. Now I'm doing little hooks on the wall in our new laundry room, and I wanted to hang a little broom brush just like this, but I feel like that red and the blue color is kind of throwing me off, but I am looking for something like that that I can hang up there. It's going to be functional for us, but also adds a lot of texture to the wall. Now, I see this brass umbrella stand every single time I come. I always think about it and never buy it. And this time, I think I'm taking it home with me. It's so pretty, and I think I can really work it into our new mudroom. I love everything about it, and I think it would be the perfect umbrella stand to style in the corner. Again, it'll be functional, but it will also add a really interesting touch to the space and just pop with that beautiful brass. I keep dropping off pieces at the front of the store so I can keep shopping around with an empty basket, but on my way to the front, I just spotted this beautiful plant stand. It is exactly what I was looking for our living room. I have a small drink table styled in our corner, and it's styling my large vase with florals, and I just think it's a bit low. I've been looking for something like this that had more height, so this one is absolutely perfect. Wow, I feel very lucky today. As soon as I'm looking for brooms, here they are in all different color options. See, if I get an option to pick my string color, I'm going for this middle one here. It has the perfect colors for our new space. I love a functional decor piece like this.
I just found so many good things at 70 South. I found that large wood plant stand. I have been looking for something like that for so long with that amount of height, and I want to replace it with the little drink table that I have styled in my living room. I wanted something bigger, a little bit taller, and that was the perfect find, so I snagged that from the store. I also finally got the brass umbrella stand that I have been eyeing every single time I come to this store, and now that I'm working on our laundry room, mud room, it's the perfect piece for that space. I'm going to style some umbrellas in it. It's going to be functional but really pretty, and I found so many other accessories as well for that new space, so I am thrilled. So anyways, you'll see all these details come to life in the laundry room mud room makeover video. I'm very excited about it. When you're doing any kind of renovation or adding new things to a space, it's always a good idea to also add some old, because that's what really makes your home feel lived in and warm and cozy. So all of these antique elements are really going to add to the space and bring it to life.
Now into another one of my favorite antique stores, the Franklin Antique Mall. This place is absolutely massive, so there's a lot to look through. I walked in and spotted this round mirror. I love that it has some extra detail on it. It's very heavy. I think I could find a spot for this. It is very beautiful. I also always just eye these small little stools because I think they can add just a nice little touch to any living room or family room space, even a kitchen. It's a helpful stool, but it can also be an added detail and layer into your room. This is why I always love thrifting and antiquing in the same day, because you can find items like this for $4 at the thrift store or $44 at the antique store. another pedestal plant stand. Let's check out the price of this one because this could have been a good contender as well. This one is $190. Wow, I just snagged that other plant stand for $45 at the last thrift store. You can always find beautiful quilts out thrifting and antiquing, and this one in particular is such a beautiful pattern. I love that classic floral pattern and the stripes on the other side, so you really get a two-in-one piece, and this folded in different directions with that scallop detail on a bed is just perfection.
Alright, so that's it for today's thrifting and antiquing. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me and seeing all the amazing finds you can find at the thrift store. This is truly one of my favorite ways to spend a day, so I'm always excited to bring you along with me and share the excitement. Let me know down below in the comments what your favorite thrift find has ever been. What is a deal that you got? What is the best item? I love reading everyone's stories on how they found their favorite pieces, so let me know down below. And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!